I am. We are the good of Jabba.
Okay, so today in this video we're just doing a simple.
Oh wait. Let's just look. Remember this guy? Yeah, he had his own YouTube channel. He had a whole other YouTube channel that he already had with like 1,000 subscribers. I've got 12. He's got like 3,000.
Yeah, because I posted some dumb video and I got super famous from it. It's really weird.
Yeah, do you guys like how new bits?
Yeah. So he used to be a black gorilla with the super with
Superhero.
with the bodies.
No, it's a cat. No.
And I was an orange gorilla with super suit.
But yeah, we kind of got off the super suit now.
Yeah, now with kitty.
We think it's way cooler.
Yeah, we think it's way better. But we like kitties. Alright, let's go, boys.
And I think we're gonna go for something like
Let's go, Mimi, big boy.
No, don't eat broccoli, bro. Let's just go for the haunted mansion, right?
Okay, you got the mega flashlight, right?
Oh, is this like a frog? Block. We actually added the block.
Yeah, it's not gonna look so goofy.
Wait, was this for April Fools?
No, it was an actual update. You know?
Oh, well that's cool. Well, how about the cheese?
The cheese was part of April Fools, and please do not eat it, because you're doing my soul. Alright.
Okay. Come on, let's get a kit we need. You can just take the mega flashlight.
Alright, yeah, I'll carry it. Alright, so can I have a nutshell?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, and you want yourself too. So we're gonna make about 20k profit from this.
I'm not.
Alright, let's go, Mr. Mans.
Wait, I'm getting. I hate the way it just doesn't let you pick the item.
I know, you just hold on to it, but then you can't actually.
What am I missing? There's always something I'm missing.
Nope. Because this time we don't need a light, because I got the mega flash.
Yeah, because we're gonna get cooked.
Mega light boy. Alright, so we like to do the wildlife stuff for this, to be honest. So that's kind of like what we like to do, because we get to like getting the key level up. So yeah. Where are you? Oh, you're there. I bet the viewers can actually hear that absolutely crazy loud car. Alright, let's go. You hear? Alright, you hear? Alright, let's go. Stop always time. Oh, which way is it? Because I don't know this.
Yes, this way.
No, I'm pretty sure this is a sewers part.
Mimic part.
Not sewers. It's a sewers part. It's sewers.
That's mimic part. Oh boy, there's some big boy.
Yeah, it's sewers. That's why I hate the April Fools update. It's so annoying going to sewers. Which way is it? Other way.
This way. Wait, what? Did it move on to mansion?
No. We just can't find the path. So,
Maybe. Wait, what?
What the
This
hell?
is dead end. It'll be down here. Do not fall. You're cooking. You could pass me. Oh, you can go around.
Yeah, there's nothing.
It's actually gone.
Oh, how the hell? No, it's still here, but we just can't find where Dark Forest is. After this is really annoying. You there? Oh, get up quick. You there?
I was so cooked there. So I guess we're gonna go for a different one. It's gotta be just for this update, right? They're not.
Yeah.
They couldn't have got rid of the haunted mansion.
Also, where the heck's chicken?
Yeah. What? Have you been down here yet?
I'm trying to. What we're gonna do? Should we
need to post my Orion drift video. Let me just
Actually,
video too long.
alright, let's go. Wait, let's just go. Should we go normal foundation, man? Because you know we're good at that.
Yeah.
Take glow stick. And then we see a mimic who absolutely. Oh wait, the only problem is we got ogres in the sewers now.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
remember
They
that-
get rid of every single good run.
Yeah, except lava.
I mean, we've never been to lava and we'll probably try it out.
Yeah, we've never been to lava before. I mean, I have alone.
Oh well.
Did you bring a light? Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, so you're saying ogres now down here?
Yeah, so
What?
grapple to the roof at all times, mister.
That is
Yeah.
ogres right. Oh man, ogres right here.
Bro, wait, hey. What's the path? Where's the second layer? Dude,
They got rid of it.
you gotta be good. Oh no, hold on. Oh my god, go away!
It's gotta be an April Fool's update. Oh,
Yeah, this update sucks. Let's head out.
how are we supposed to do a video then?
Yeah, we can't do a video anymore. What do we do?
Just
What? What'd you say?
do that goofy old glitch. Just kind
What goofy our glitch? What are you talking about? Hell no. Why? Bro, why?
Have you already climbed up the pipe?
What do you? I'm not spawned because I glitched. I definitely glitched into Ogre.
The what bag? Answer me, where are you?
I am talking into the watch. You can hear me, right?
Where are you?
I'm not spawned. I definitely glitched into Ogre.
You died.
Yeah. Okay, just come on. You back yet?
Bringing a ricochet.
Did it ricochet off you?
Yeah. Anyways, do you? Definitely. No. I dropped onto it.
Oh,
Alright. Let's. What run are we doing then?
I don't know. There's no rules we can actually do.
Alright. Our only hope is just to do lava. Then. I'm sorry, mister. We kinda have to. You have no choice.
I mean, you can buy stuff.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Okay. Should we go the glitch way? Because the actual lava takes way too long.
Go to the milk pan.
Wait, it got patched. Let's bring it.
You
Oh,
know,
got
for
my
this
light.
video,
Got my
we're
light.
just gonna-
Let me get the mega flashlight.
I think we've already raised it most of the time. This is more than 20 minutes.
Glitch way. That's it, man. Glitch way. Did they patch it? What are we
No,
gonna
come on,
do?
get a light and let's just at least try and get some retail.
Yeah, I mean, I really need one more. Then I can unlock a pickaxe.
Oh, you've got a pickaxe unlocked, haven't you?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay, come on, let's go.
I mean, I got a normal pickaxe. I just goof around and like kill angler, spider.
No, let's just... Okay, all we need to do is kill one mob and then we just end it. Then.
Mhm. Also, I need a research point.
Yeah.
Oh, I know the path. I know the path. Don't worry. It's this way.
Meow. Why is it giving me the meow symbol? Yeah.
Alright, it's here. Which way do you want to go? Ooh, gold.
Giving me loads.
I'm just mining the gold. Alright,
Okay, we'll shred it all when it's at the bottom.
hey, where's my shred? Flip.
Joseph!
Alright, wait. Ooh, I'll take these. Okay.
Oh man, I didn't get them.
Wait, what's this? Wait, that's the way to lava. Oh, that looks like the way to lava, but it probably isn't. Let's
Should
go.
we invest? Yeah, it is.
Probably a monster here, so. Probably a monster here, so.
Yeah, I still spider. All we need to do is slay it.
Where's Mr. Spider? Alright.
Slay it.
Oh, it's
Get
Mimic!
out here.
Mimic, go away, we don't
Oh.
like you. What the
Where's
flip?
Mimic? Oh my god, there's two!
2 spiders.
No, there's a spider and a mimic.
Yeah. What do you do about that?
I have no clue. Wait, Joseph, we just found.
Go through,
Oh.
get up. You're stuck. Wait.
We just found a way to.
Planetarium! Oh, can I get the research crystal, please?
Let me get some as well.
Alright, because I still need pickaxe.
Just get how many you have. I already got my man. I already got 4. That's crazy.
Oh, same, I got 4. Let's mine these anyways. Hey, what happened to the... What's the crate?
Why
Huh?
is it so loud in here?
I know.
I mean, that's cool,
Alright, let's go now.
yeah,
I mean, I guess it counts as a run, but it kind of sucks a lot.
Come on. Well, at least they know you tried out hard.
Alright, let's go. Wow, what do you call that? A mission? Is that a mission success or a mission failed? That video was actually kind of trash, so I'm not gonna lie. Guys, this is the end of the video. So, well, guys, this is kind of goofy goober. Let's go to Mira. Get out! Get out, bro. Get out. You're stinky. Stinky boy. Oh no. Let's go to Mirror. Let's go to Mirror. Wait, let's both get stinky boy.
Oh my god.
Ah, what the cheese? Alright, let's go. Let's go, Mirror. Uh-oh, stinky.
Okay, let's just end it here. Wait, can you put some cheese into your storage? Because they might be
Yeah?
rare soon.
They're not, yeah.
They'll be probably rare.
No, it's
soon.
gonna. No, loads of people are gonna have like big, massive bags full of cheese.
Oh wait, let's now see how much we got today. It's not gonna be much, but we're gonna get something.
I wonder how much we'll get because he did actually nothing.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video there.
Well, it's outro time, baby.
Oh yeah, I forgot about it.
Well, that was a pretty goofy video.
Why'd they do that? All of the things, bro. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know
Like
why.
a cheese.
I don't know if that's just a skill issue from us, or they or literally no one can find it. Well,
Yeah.
it's
that's the best you
bye
can
bye
do.
time. See ya.
Yeah.